The following program is a paid advertisement for Options Made Easy.
I made about $6,000 or $7,000 in the last month.
I made almost $13,000 in 1 month.
We're making somewhere between $4,000 and $8,000 a month just trading options.
It's fun. I like it. I enjoy it.
I had one option that I made about $8,500 in about 2 weeks.
The only surprise is you can make more money than you actually thought you were going to. We've had days where our portfolio has gone up $2,000 or $3,000.
You can make some serious money with this.
I have made $1,000 a day.
6 weeks I made $19,000.
You start with a $2,000 account, you can grow it into $1 million in 39 months, just making a 4% gain every week.
Bottom line is, what is it they say? I didn't know I could make money this easy.
Hello, everyone. I'm John Larson, president of Options Made Easy. Just recently in Dallas, we held our annual investors convention, our biggest ever. The people you see here are sharing in the excitement of making money on Wall Street the powerful, low-risk, high-return way, with options. And in the next 30 minutes, I'll show you how you can too. Join me as we visit a few of our many success stories. People just like you who wanted more from their investments and who are now building a brighter financial future with Options Made Easy.
Welcome to Options Made Easy. Learn the high-profit, low-risk way to trade. How would you like the handling and speed to make big profits on Wall Street in any market direction? To power your portfolio so it fires on all cylinders? How would you like to finally take the wheel of your own financial future? Of course you would, and now you can with the revolutionary new options trading program called Options Made Easy. Technology so simple and powerful it can change your life. No more guessing or advice from so-called experts. No more complex calculations and charts. In seconds, with simple-to-read lights and graphs, you can use Options Made Easy to help you identify winning options trades and winning stock and mutual fund investments in any market direction.
It's easy to use. I mean, everything I need to know is right there.
Everything is right there for you, so it makes that decision so much faster.
I would recommend this product in a heartbeat.
Have you asked your broker about options lately? Did he even have a clue? Options are the low-cost right to control a stock without the high-cost obligation to buy it. And that can make trading options safer, less expensive, and far more profitable. Fact is, options can be one of the best ways to leverage your investments and minimize your risk, no matter if the market is going up, down, or sideways.
It can just keep going like this, and you can still make money at it. That's stunning to me.
I made $4,000 or $5,000 trading IBM.
50% profit on this one, 30% profit on that one. I'm enjoying the success.
For over 30 years, major financial institutions have leveraged their investments and minimized their risk with options. Now you can too. But when it comes to trading options, be sure of what you hear. Rumor: you must trade either options or stocks. Truth: options are powerful traded in combination with stocks. Rumor: you need big money to start trading options. Truth: options cost far less than buying a stock itself. Rumor: options are risky. Truth: options are designed to minimize risk.
Once you learn what options are really all about, you realize that there's actually less risk.
If you're into options and you know how to use them, it takes the scare out of the market. It really does.
Is your broker a joker when it comes to your investments? Does he know all your options? Now, with Options Made Easy, no one takes better care of your money than you do.
When I received my congratulatory phone call on losing $7,000 in 1 quarter, and isn't that wonderful news because now you get to write that off on your taxes, I decided that a change needed to be made.
It's a tool that has taken the stock market and made it usable for the average person to me.
As a master investor and billion-dollar trader, Options Made Easy President John Larson travels all over the country, teaching thousands of people from all walks of life how to leverage their investments and minimize their risk with options. Today, people just like you, investors at all levels, are discovering that Options Made Easy is the safest and smartest way to help you find winning options trades.
Get more bang for your buck and at the same time lower your risk.
As a former member of the Chicago Board of Trade and as a trader in every major market, John saw the need for a better way to trade, a high-yield, low-risk way with options. Now, with thousands of Options Made Easy users nationwide, John is a regular and sought-after speaker on the virtues of options trading. And in his free Options Made Easy workshops, John now reveals his new technology and proven option strategies that can significantly increase your net worth.
15 minutes after the hour, special guest John Larson, president of Options Made Easy.
For my money, I don't know why people trade stocks anymore. The leverage is absolutely enormous. That's why I love trading options. You can start out on a limited budget. They're a low-risk, high-leverage way to take advantage of all those stocks that you normally would trade but are just out of your price range. What we teach people how to do at Options Made Easy is make money on stocks whether they're going up, down, or trading sideways. The stock market is the world's greatest wealth producer of all time. It's great to be in it, and if you're not, you should consider how important it can be to your financial future. The secret to winning in the stock market is not just buy low, sell high. More importantly, it's the essential strategy of all successful Wall Street investors, reducing risk. That's why I like options. Options offer the highest upside potential with the lowest downside risk. Options have become a cornerstone strategy for financial institutions and small investors alike. With options, you can control stock for a fraction of the cost, make money whether a stock is going up, down, or sideways, insure your current portfolio, and protect the stock you presently own.
To me, there is no such thing as a bad market anymore because I make money in the market even when it's going down.
I've made 33% return on my investment for the month, which I thought was pretty exciting.
There are many ways to explain what an option is. Basically, it's the right to own a stock without the high-cost obligation to buy it. Options are therefore less expensive than stock and provide a greater upside potential. Here's how. Let's say that XYZ company stock is trading at $50. 1,000 shares would cost you $50,000. That's pretty big money. If the stock goes up $5, your profit is 10% on your investment. Not bad, but it could be better. Here's why. Let's say we now buy the option on XYZ stock. This might cost only $2.50 per share. So to control 1,000 shares, it only costs us $2,500, not $50,000. If the stock goes up the same $5, our option explodes in value, and we make upwards of $4,000 or over 150% rate of return. Now that's getting the most bang for your buck out of your trading account. That's called leverage, and that's the power of options.
The leverage is fantastic. We get a 10 times leverage, basically. That's what makes the options much more attractive to me than the stock.
If you can make 100% on your money versus 10% on your money, I think that's it's a no-brainer.
I developed Options Made Easy to be the ultimate tool for trading options and made it simple enough for anyone to use. Options Made Easy can be used to trade options, stocks, and exchange-traded funds. Even build your own mutual fund if you want to. With Options Made Easy, you have complete control over your investments.
You'll learn that even if you only have stocks or mutual funds, that options can be useful for protecting those portfolios.
Just another avenue to build a good portfolio so that you don't get stuck in just one position.
Once you get into the program and once you learn how it works, you should be all right for a long, long time.
Come to my free Options Made Easy workshop and bring your stocks, options, and mutual funds. See this sensational technology in action and learn about an opportunity to test drive it yourself completely risk-free.
10 3/8 a quarter for 10.
The stock market. Now explore your options with Options Made Easy. John Larson's new trading program so compelling and powerful, it will change your life. Learn to reduce risk and make huge profits, whether the market is going up, down, or sideways. Attend John Larson's free Options Made Easy workshops coming to your area for a limited engagement this week only.
Getting into a good trade is easy. It's knowing when to get out. It's the hard part.
Options Made Easy has made me a better trader. It gives you a good, clear indication as to when to get in a trade or to when to get out of a trade without having to guess.
It's an awesome tool.
It's an exciting program. Love it.
Attend a free Options Made Easy workshop coming to your area now and find out why trading options has never been safer and more stress-free. Discover how to use options to insure the stocks you currently own, how options can be used to generate monthly income, and how to make explosive profits with minimal risk.
What we're all about is educating people, and that's why we've got one of the fastest growing software programs on the market right now. Our training course basically can't be beat. We're making about $2,500 a week.
Once you start seeing that the money's rolling in and your money's making money for you, it's exciting.
Can I double my money in a year? Yes, I can.
Is your broker clueless about the power of options? Are you still tied up in high-priced stocks? Now, with Options Made Easy, learn to leverage your investments and minimize your risk in any market direction.
You can make money if the market goes up, you can make money if the market goes down, or you can make money if the market is flat, if you know what you're doing.
I thought it was great. I thought it was a wonderful opportunity.
I learned a lot.
See it to believe it and try it risk-free. If you're a stock investor, a beginning or part-time trader, a seasoned pro, or a long-term or short-term investor, this workshop is for you. At John Larson's free Options Made Easy workshop, discover how to maximize your profits and minimize your risk, and how to make winning options trades whether the market is going up, down, or sideways.
It's a great way to make a living.
It's a whole new career for me. It's going to be my new career.
It allows you a financial independence, and that's exactly what I need right now.
Major financial institutions have traded options for over 30 years. Now you can level the playing field. Trade options from anywhere in the world with Options Made Easy, the perfect moneymaker.
My first trade was a 45% profit.
Making somewhere between 30 and 45% on our money, annualized return.
I can replace my income with this and even do better.
Take advantage of today's stock market. Get pen and paper ready now to write down information about this important, life-changing event.
Don't let anything keep you from attending. Throughout the country, response to John's workshop has been overwhelming. After all, seeing is believing. Circle your calendar now, and we'll see you at this exciting, life-changing event.
Just a feeling you can't describe when somebody comes back and says, you know, you changed my life. You taught me how to do this thing, and I'm making money now.
No matter if you're a novice or a seasoned pro, you can learn to trade successfully with Options Made Easy. Just ask this investor. She's a mom, nurse, and tennis enthusiast, and now the senior national trainer for Options Made Easy. Please meet Kathy Chafee.
I have the best job in the world. I have the best job in the world. As I look out on a classroom, you really do see these holographic light bulbs going on over their heads, and it's great. Some of the lives that I've touched have touched me back. I was trading before Options Made Easy. It was just a lot harder, and it took a lot more of my day. I realized this tool, this software, just made it that much easier. At a glance, I can tell 20 months history. One of the things that sold me on Options Made Easy was the excitement and the enthusiasm in the employees. They invited me to go to work for the company, and I just haven't looked back. The company is very family friendly and very flexible. Who wants quesadillas? I have one son who's 13, Ethan, and Aaron is 11. They both play baseball. What trading has provided us is just that extra stream of income. And look at this fresh cross. That one's good. Shot up. Yeah. I don't have a master's degree in finance. I do think that I bring to the product a soccer mom approach that helps the customer understand that, look, if she can do this, I can do this.
It said you can make money or you can make excuses, but you can't do both. What you can do is start making money right away with options. Who better to show us how to do that than the woman you've just met? Senior National Trainer for Options Made Easy, Kathy Chafee. Kathy?
Thanks, John. What Options Made Easy does is show us the trend of the stock. The software calculates the cost of the options trade and the potential return on that investment. Let me give you an example. Here we see that this stock is trading at 98.34. The chart shows the green line crossing above the red line in a strong upward trend. Based on the simple principle of supply and demand, the green line going up means there's more buying pressure than selling pressure. When the demand for a stock is greater than the supply, the price of the stock will likely go up. Now that we see the trend, we can decide whether to trade the stock or trade the option. Let's say first we buy the stock and it goes up around $10. That's 10% on our investment. If you're a stock trader, you might say that's okay. But now, let's compare the option. Option on this stock is only $11 a share. Based on the strategies we teach you, which in the software are color-coded, we choose a bullish strategy. When the stock goes up, the option goes up, and not just a little bit. In this case, the option goes up almost $8. In this particular trade, in one day, we made $7,700. When I am at home trading options, this kind of trade gives a whole new meaning to the term home economics.
And Kathy, I like those economics. It's fast, it's easy, and it's all based on the simple rule of supply and demand. Come to my free workshop. See this incredible technology in action and find out how you can try Options Made Easy for yourself, completely risk-free.
10 at 3/8, a quarter for 10.
The stock market. Now explore your options with Options Made Easy. John Larson's new trading program, so compelling and powerful, it will change your life. Learn to reduce risk and make huge profits, whether the market is going up, down, or sideways. Attend John Larson's free Options Made Easy workshops coming to your area for a limited engagement this week only.
Getting into a good trade is easy. It's knowing when to get out that's the hard part.
The software just takes a lot of the guesswork out for you.
You can look at each individual and make an informed decision on what to do.
I have never traded options before, but this program makes it look so simple.
Attend a free Options Made Easy workshop coming to your area now and find out why trading options has never been safer and more stress-free. Discover how to use options to insure the stocks you currently own, how options can be used to generate monthly income, and how to make explosive profits with minimal risk.
What we're all about is educating people, and that's why we've got one of the fastest growing software programs on the market right now. Our training course basically can't be beat.
Last month we made $16,780.
$800 on the first trade.
We're ready to open our account and get after it and make some money.
Is your broker clueless about the power of options? Are you still tied up in high-priced stocks? Now, with Options Made Easy, learn to leverage your investments and minimize your risk in any market direction.
You can make money going up, going sideways, or going down.
Coming to this is going to be a way to really jumpstart me into trading.
It was excellent, yes. It was really good.
See it to believe it, and try it risk-free. If you're a stock investor, a beginning or part-time trader, a seasoned pro, or a long-term or short-term investor, this workshop is for you. At John Larson's free Options Made Easy workshop, discover how to maximize your profits and minimize your risk, and how to make winning options trades whether the market is going up, down, or sideways.
Once I went in and saw the different strategies and options, it turned out to be a whole new ballgame.
It's a way to invest a fairly small amount of money and get a great return in a relatively short period of time. I had to have it as soon as I saw it.
Major financial institutions have traded options for over 30 years. Now you can level the playing field. Trade options from anywhere in the world with Options Made Easy, the perfect moneymaker.
Online trading has made it available to all of us, and this software just makes it accessible.
I love this. I love this is better than working for any employer or anything else that I've ever done. Even when I had my own business, that was a lot like work. This is a lot more fun.
Take advantage of today's stock market. Get pen and paper ready now to write down information about this important, life-changing event.
Don't let anything keep you from attending. Throughout the country, response to John's workshop has been overwhelming. After all, seeing is believing. Circle your calendar now, and we'll see you at this exciting, life-changing event.
It's just a feeling you can't describe when somebody comes back and says, you know, you changed my life. You taught me how to do this thing, and I'm making money now.
What are you thinking these days about your retirement? When it comes to your financial future, it's never too early to start planning. Here's one Options Made Easy investor who's doing just that.
Nobody takes care of your money like you take care of your money. My best week, I made $5,700. This tells you where the money's going, and it's Options Made Easy, just like it says. I'm going to retire, then that's the reason I've looked at this area to supplement my income. And we've had a comfortable life, and I just want to maintain that. I don't want to give up anything just going into retirement. Those that have not planned for the future, when they get close to retirement, they're going to say, gosh, I wish I'd have done something different.
Because there is no guarantee Social Security is going to be there. My generation is going to have something to fall back on.
If I could make $1,000 a week and just spend 5 or 6 hours at it, it's a pretty good return on your money. Can't get it anywhere else. I work for Overnight Transportation. We're a trucking company, and I've been with them now 32 years. We take freight coming in to Fort Worth to be delivered, and then we dispatch it out during the day. And we'll load it in a particular direction. If it's going north, south, east, or west, we'll put it on the right truck. You can run this operation without a computer, but it wouldn't be as efficient, take you 4 or 5 times as longer, and I feel the same way about my Options Made Easy. I mean, it brings it right up. You look at it, you're able to make a decision in a short amount of time. That's the beauty part of that program. It's giving me the direction that I need to go, puts me in the right area to make a good decision. If I didn't have my program to deal with, I wouldn't be trading.
Options are powerful as a standalone investment or when traded on stocks you currently own. You probably have insurance on the valuable things that you own, on your home or on your car, so why not on your stocks? Options can be used as an insurance policy on the stocks you currently own. To tell us more about that, once again, Kathy Chafee.
If we own stock in a great company, how can we have peace of mind that comes with knowing our profits are locked in? Why not protect the stock's value and reduce risk? Major institutional investors do this every day. Let me give you an example. The stock is moving sideways at $35. We see its trend in Options Made Easy. The lines indicate that it's moving sideways, not up, not down. We're hoping it will go up, but hope is not a strategy. We don't want to sell the stock, but we want protection in case its price goes down. So we buy an inexpensive option on that stock to ensure its value. If it does go up, we make money on the stock. But if it goes down, like it did in this case, we make money on the option. Whether the stock goes up or down, we make money. That's how the professionals trade each and every day, and now, with Options Made Easy, you can too.
Kathy, you're right. Folks, think about insurance and about minimizing your risk. Think about making money too, because having more money means having the time to do the things you really want. Now, let's meet another investor who has changed his life for the better with Options Made Easy.
The whole zoo is hanging out with me while I'm trading. My bird Harley, 3 boxers, Bosco, Sammy, and Allie. They're my training buddies. You tell somebody you're trading options, they go, are you crazy? That's so risky. That's because they don't understand options. My maximum percent return is 204%. The options are a lot less risky than buying stock. The way they teach you to trade options with Options Made Easy is manage risk. If the trade's not working out, then you just need to get out of it. As soon as the green line starts touching the red line, I know to get out. You can make money on the stock whether it's going up or going down. I had a trade and the stock dropped $7.50 and I made $7,500. I basically look to make at least 15% on a trade. Then I take my 15% and run. Riding a motorcycle, you have to know what to look out for. Like trading, you have to know what to look out for. If you live by these charts and you follow these charts, you'll make money. This past summer, I rode my motorcycle to Harley-Davidson's 100th anniversary. And when I got to the hotel at night, I checked my trades. I made enough money to pay for my trip. And then some. Very simple. But it does work.
We are getting thousands of people out to our workshops, and it's because our software is simple and easy to use. I can tell you, hands down, it blows everything else away. Come to my free Options Made Easy workshop. In 2 hours or less, I will change your life forever. Come out and see Options Made Easy in action and learn how you can test drive it yourself. 100% risk-free.
10 and 3/8 a quarter for 10.
The stock market. Now explore your options with Options Made Easy. John Larson's new trading program is so compelling and powerful, it will change your life. Learn to reduce risk and make huge profits, whether the market is going up, down, or sideways. Attend John Larson's free Options Made Easy workshops coming to your area for a limited engagement this week only.
Getting into a good trade is easy. It's knowing when to get out that's the hard part.
Opportunities there, you can really make some money at this.
With options, you could be making money in whatever direction it's going.
I see the opportunity, I recognize it, and I'm going for it.
Attend a free Options Made Easy workshop coming to your area now and find out why trading options has never been safer and more stress-free. Discover how to use options to insure the stocks you currently own, how options can be used to generate monthly income, and how to make explosive profits with minimal risk.
I made more money this year than I made the last year I worked in my salary as president of my company.
We made about $10,000 on JetBlue that month.
The sky's the limit with it, and so that's, to me, that's great.
What we're all about is educating people, and that's why we've got one of the fastest growing software programs on the market right now. Our training course basically can't be beat.
See it to believe it, and try it risk-free. If you're a stock investor, a beginning or part-time trader, a seasoned pro, or a long-term or short-term investor, this workshop is for you. At John Larson's free Options Made Easy workshop, discover how to maximize your profits and minimize your risk, and how to make winning options trades whether the market is going up, down, or sideways.
They definitely teach you techniques to limit your risk.
You can reduce your risks with the education and the indicators that you get from Options Made Easy.
The sky's the limit.
To date, I've had 11 trades, and 10 of them have been successful.
Every option that I have followed the rules on has succeeded, and I've made a profit on it. I feel pretty bad if I can't make about $1,000 a trade.
Take advantage of today's stock market. Get pen and paper ready now to write down information about this important, life-changing event.
Don't let anything keep you from attending. Throughout the country, response to John's workshop has been overwhelming. After all, seeing is believing. Circle your calendar now, and we'll see you at this exciting, life-changing event.
Just a feeling you can't describe when somebody comes back and says, you know, you changed my life. You taught me how to do this thing, and I'm making money now.
The preceding program was a paid advertisement for Options Made Easy.
I am so high on this company and so high on this software.
I was making anywhere from $5,000 to $8,000 on options.
I think anybody can make money at it.
It's a powerful package. I really like it.
This software is a gigantic help.
I made $1,500 on Motorola.
It does all the things that it used to take days to accomplish.
You have nothing to lose, and you have everything to gain.
It's an opportunity I don't think you can afford to miss.